Oh!
Colosseum.
How did you know? How did you know?
I guess. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have a very, very special Lego set today. It's the Colosseum, and it's the one of the top biggest Lego sets in the world, in the history of Lego. And also, I'll tell you how many pieces it is. It's like all of my Lego sets combined, and it's not as many pieces as this. Okay, so now I am sitting on the Lego box. I'll sit off it and you can see how big it is. Look, I'm sitting on it and it's really strong. It's really strong and I'm sitting on it. And yeah, and I'll show you how many packets there is when I open it. And you can see a picture of it when it's done. And on the other side, you can see the the side of it. And if you come over here, it shows you the real Colosseum. Here, these are the real Colosseum. Here. So this is the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Here, look. It's 59 centimeters. So 59 centimeters is like this. It's about that. And 23.5 inches tall. That's tall. Oh, no. 27 inches. That's how tall it is. And 27 inches is about this. I think that's 27 inches. So it's going to be massive. And also, there's so many packets in there, I can't even lift the box. It's really hard. Oh, so hard. Oh, my fingers just slip off the box. It is real hard to lift up. Really, really hard. I am actually standing on the chair because it's so tall on the table. If I'm really sitting, I'll show you. You can't even see my face. That's me sitting down. So you can actually not see my face. It says Colosseum in gold. So this has to be special, that means. And also, I'll tell you what age it's for. It's for 18 plus, if you can see over there. And this is just the barcode thing. This is how many pieces it is. It's 9,036 pieces. That is a loads of pieces. And also, now let's open it, I guess. Okay. I think you guys are going to be shocked to see how many packets there is, because there is loads and loads of packets. If there's 9,036 pieces. So, and I'm really excited to see what's inside. And I don't know what's inside. So let's open this. Let's open this. This is not like a usual Lego set. Let's open this. Oh, there's inner boxes. So, number one is this, and then this, and then this, and then this. I get it. So, inner box number one. Now I'm going to take one of these out. Oh, these are heavy stuff. Oh, this is so big. This is just number one. Oh. Now, I'm just going to put this there and just look. How many are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4. There's 4 of these. This is a very tall box too. You can see all the bits that we have to build here. It says here. It has to be really serious. So, That means we need to take all of these boxes because we don't want to mess up anything. No, not even this box. We have to build with this box. So take all of these away and then we start building with this. Okay, concentrate, and now I'm going to open it too. Ugh. The first one looks quite complicated. It actually does. And now I am going to open it from the sides. There are so many bags. There's so many bags in here. And also I discovered that there was 64 bags all in total. So, okay. And that's the last one. Whoa, there's a lot. I never even knew there was that much. Here's the instructions. Oh, this doesn't look like a big instruction page. I wonder why. Let's open it. This tells you all the history about the Colosseum. Oops. This is what it used to look like. It didn't used to look like this. It actually used to look like this. Because there was an earthquake in Italy and it made all of this fall, even a volcano at the same time. That's what made it all fall off. So then they never found it. So then it just looked like this. So let's start. Oh, no, not yet. This is what it looks like. It used to be like a arena, and they used to battle in there. And this is a thing to help you if there's something wrong, and it will hurt your nails if you tear it off. So here you just do it like this. If there's something in, you just do this. It's so complicated. So I'll have to make 2 of these. So 1, 2, and 3 make this, and 4, 5 makes this. Whoa. Okay, now I'm going to start. So I have to make 2 of these. Okay, you see 2 of these. And now packet 1. But first, they actually, on here, it actually says take all of these out first, and then get packet 1. So that's good. So I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to open packet 1. I'm going to do time lapse because the video would be like 2 days. So let's do it. It says on the instructions, if you can see, it's upside down. It says make 2 of these. So get 1 of these, and then get 2 of these actually, and get 2 of these. So then 1 here, wait, 1 there, and 1 up, and 1 over here. So then we can connect it together like this, okay? So that's how you do it. It's really simple to do this. We need to be really careful because the base is the hardest bit of the Lego set, and if we mess up we have to take all of it apart and then rebuild it. So we don't want that to happen. So let's go on to the next page. Oh, this is where it gets hard, so I really have to concentrate on this. So you see 2 of these, 1 and a 2, and then get 4 of these bits. That's a lot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here's 4 of those. Now I need 2 of these bits. These bits look really funny to me. So where are those bits? Let's see. Not in this pile. Yep. So that's mean it's in this pile. This is like the hardest Lego set I've ever done. So if you want to build it like me, you have to really concentrate on the instructions. So now I'm going to concentrate, and now we're going to do the time lapse. So let's start now. Okay. This all on my own. Whoa. Now I'm doing this bit, and I lost a piece. So now the Colosseum is still called the Colosseum, but for short we call it the Colosseum with the missing piece. Is the missing piece. So I haven't connected it yet because I'm building this. So this goes here. And then I build another one so it connects to here, and then after that I build a structure that's like this tall, and I never knew it was going to be about this tall. So also this was the hardest bit right here, because you see you have to do all of this, and then like this. You see this block here, you don't put it like this, you have to turn it the right amount, or then it will be not that good. This bit was easy. So, you see all of these same bricks, you see all of these, they are identical, and what I'm building right now are the same as all of these. So, like, actually, I know some bits, but sometimes I need to see, and I can do some bits without looking at the instructions, just putting it on. I know this bit without the instructions, and the very bottom bit. Okay, now I've almost finished the Colosseum. This bit's all jiggly, I don't know why. Look, it goes all the way to here. Let's go through all of this. Like I'm on all of this, and now I'm on pack 34. And I've finished all of the instructions. There's 4 instructions. I've only finished a couple, no, 4, all of them. This is the last box too. Oh, I see the reflection. There we go. Okay, now I'm done. And I don't know why, it's very weird that this opens and you don't want it to open. I'll fix it later, but I think it's supposed to be like that. Okay, now I'm going to build the next one. almost finished the Colosseum because I need to put this piece on here. So 3, 2, 1. It's on, so I haven't finished the Colosseum yet because I need to put it here. Do like that. Somehow. But I like this bit where I put gold here. And these bits. This bit here, all of these big bits are hard to build. All of these little bits here were easy to build. The most easiest one to build was the trees. Now, I don't know what to do now. I'm happy I built it because it's the 3rd biggest Lego set in the world. I like the trees because you can remove them, but it's kind of frustrating that it wobbles when you try and put it in and it keeps falling off. I like these bits because it's like mirrors so you can look through. And you can see all of this. I think this is grass. And when I was building this, it's half. So, right here, it's half into this. So, if I cut through here, it will be a perfect cut. Because there's a half, you can see the line. This is very big too. So, now this is how big it is. I can't even get all the way around. Look, I can't even get all the way around. It's that big. Only if I just like cheat and do this. I can't carry this because it's like 9,000 pieces, all of this together. 9,036 pieces, all of this that you see here. That's 9,036 pieces. That's why I can't carry it. It's way too heavy. I'm gonna try to carry it. 3, 2. Oh no, I can't. It's way too heavy. Finally, I finished the challenge that my nanny and granddad gave me. All of this covered under here is 9,036 pieces.
9,036.
Okay.
Well, we haven't seen it, have we?
You can see.
Oh! Alright, the roof fell off.
It isn't the roof. The Colosseum doesn't not have the roof.
How many pieces did you
9,036.
Okay, that's it. That's it.
Is that?
That's it.
Was that the finish?
Yeah.
It doesn't look very good from that to there, does it? Oh, that looks a bit better.
Now.
You'll have to go there, won't you?
Now done. Now done.
Look at that. Congratulations. How long's it taken you?
I don't know.
Sit round. And then you look
yeah.
at
Oh, yeah, look at the back.
the details. Really good, isn't it, Dallas?
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. So we need to find a place to put it now, don't we?
Yeah.
It's heavy.
How many?
I
How
don't
many
know.
pounds?
It's 10 or 15 kg, something like that.
How many pounds?
This is why you cannot carry that.
Yeah.
This is not my last challenge. I have the world map. That's the 1st biggest Lego set in the world. This is the 3rd. And I have the typewriter I've finished the Colosseum, so I'm very happy. Bye. See you in the next video, and also like and subscribe if you really like this video, and leave a comment.